Are you looking for the best cordless drills in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best cordless drills that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Skil PWRCORE Drill Driver Kit. The Skil PWRCORE drill produces a surprising amount of power for its size, and at a fraction of the price of the premium cordless drills on our list. It took an impressive 3 seconds to drill a 1/2-inch hole into a 2x4. Its ability to drill holes with a 1-inch spade bit was mixed, however. During testing, the bit became hopelessly bound in the wood every couple of holes. When used as a driver, it had no problems driving in 3-inch screws. This drill weighs just 2.23 pounds, not including the battery. Couple that with a narrow profile, and the Skil was one of the easiest 20-volt drills to use. While it doesn't offer the bells and whistles you'll find on premium drills, it does give you 2 speed settings and an LED work light. And while a premium cordless drill kit costs $300 or more, the Skil 20-volt drill kit is just $80. That low price, coupled with its solid performance, makes it a great budget pick. Up next in the 4th place is the Flex 24V Brushless Cordless Hammer Drill. Flex's cordless tools are known for their impressive power output, and this cordless drill is no exception. With its 1,400 pounds of torque and max 2,500 revolutions per minute speed, it blazed through our tests, drilling 5 holes with a 1/2-inch twist bit and 5 1-inch holes with a spade bit each in under 3 seconds smoothly and with no hesitation. Interested to see just how much it could handle, I took it to a block of cement and set about drilling holes with a 3/8-inch bit, where most cordless drills would fail at this point. The Flex just kept on chugging, burrowing through cement with no hesitation. With its 24-volt motor and battery, the Flex isn't light, weighing just under 4 pounds bare and nearly 6 pounds with the included 5.0Ah battery. Its head, meanwhile, is a relatively short 7.1 inches. The Flex is loaded with features, along with a turbo button that allows you to boost torque to reach its max output. There's also a rotation protection that stops the drill if it over-rotates to protect your wrist and arm. The Flex cordless drill is a serious power tool that costs more than most other options on our list. But if you're serious about power, look no further. The 3rd product on our list is the DeWalt 20V Max XR Hammer Drill. The flagship drill of DeWalt's line of cordless drills is impressive in its raw power and versatility. We bore a 1/2-inch hole through a 2x4 with a standard bit in about half a second, and a 1-inch hole with a paddle bit in 3 seconds flat. Both times were the fastest I recorded for all of the drills I tested. I was also impressed by all the options for controlling that power. With 3 speed options, I was able to dial its speed way back. That, coupled with the ability to drop the torque, allowed me to drive in screws without stripping the screw head. Among other features I appreciated about the DeWalt XR drill included an anti-rotation safety feature that shuts off the motor if it senses too much rotational motion, saving your wrist, and a built-in work light you can aim. The XR isn't particularly light at 4.1 pounds, not including a battery, but it is relatively short with a head length of 7.6 inches, which means it can fit into tighter spots than many other cordless drills. Second on our list is the Makita 18V LXT 1/2-inch cordless hammer driver drill. Makita's flagship hammer drill packs quite a punch in a compact size, producing 1,250 pounds of torque with a max speed of 2,100 revolutions per minute. Not surprisingly, it had no problem handling both of my drill bit tests. It easily drove a 1-inch spade bit and 1/2-inch drill bit through a 2x4. I also found success using its hammer drill function to bore 5/8-inch holes into concrete. The Makita hammer drill also serves as a very capable driver. Once I dialed back the speed and torque to prevent it from stripping screw heads, I was able to consistently drive 3-inch wood screws into our stacked 2x4s. With all that power, the XPH14 still manages to stay compact with a head length of 7 inches, though it's one of the heaviest drills I tested with a bare tool weight of 5.5 pounds. Finally, the top product on our list is the Black+Decker LDX 120C20V Max cordless drill driver. We discovered that we didn't have to spend a lot of money to get a powerful battery-powered drill. Few brands have a better reputation for balancing quality and value than Black+Decker, and their 20V Max cordless drill is a great example. After charging the battery, we started with a hole saw bit and drilled 2-inch holes in pine. The Black+Decker provided nearly as much power as the more expensive drills in this lineup, but it didn't have quite as much torque when we exerted a lot of pressure. Not to worry, it's not designed for heavy-duty drilling. It's intended for basic around-the-house drilling and driving, and it does that exceptionally well. We tried a variety of bits, and the Black+Decker handled all but the largest auger bit. The battery went out around the 25-minute mark, so we paused to recharge. With the battery charged again, we switched to driver mode and inserted the screwdriver bit stored on the back of the tool's handle. The drill offers an 11-setting clutch, which allowed us to tweak the drill's torque sensitivity when inserting screws. While this drill will not be powerful enough for a professional framer, it has ample power for many jobs around the home and yard. Yet the price is among the lowest on the market. Even though the brush motor helps keep the cost down, Black+Decker didn't skimp on features in this lightweight, ergonomic drill. And LED work light facilitates jobs in dark corners, and a 1.5 Ah battery and a charger complete the kit. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.